To remove this brick slide pin, you just twist it, and at the same time just pull it out, so you can see it's getting longer. And here the rubber boot, and the rubber boot is holding the end of this pin, and also it's get into the groove of this brick caliper carrier. So you just use a finger or screwdriver just to peel this off here. So you can see the inside is the pin, and now you can just twist and pull. So that is the pin. Notice the profile. So at the end is like that, and at the head is like that. And this is the rubber boot that get into the groove. If you just kick it in here at the end, you see, you get it out. So that groove get into the bore over there.